Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna do a nighttime skincare routine. Because you see, I already got the bonnet on. I'm ready for bed, child. And I don't know if y'all can tell if my skin is dry. I have very dry skin and eczema on my face. So my skin dries out really, really quick. And sometimes I don't even notice throughout the day to re-moisturize it. But that's okay because we can fix it. Wash your hands before you wash your face. Okay? Doodoo hands. So I just start off by wetting my face. And then, yeah, I already know I get my raw African black soap. Am I saying it wrong? I feel like it's wrong. Because it's, I don't know. Raw African black soap, okay? That water cold as shit. Then you rinse this off. I don't splash water in my face. I don't like that because the water be getting in my nose and then I feel like I'm drowning. So I just get my hands super wet and go like that. And even then, I don't really like that either. Then after that, I take my hyaluronic acid. Kind of just it don't even square out the bottle like I like over my face. I kind of skip my little eczema part above my lip, and I don't get too close to my eyes because I got something else for that. Like I don't go up in here like I normally would. I love that glowy look. It made me feel like I'm doing something. Then I wait for this to dry. Sometimes it don't be dry fast enough. Like I be trying to fan it. I'm gonna pat a little bit because maybe I put too much hyaluronic acid. Who knows? And after that, I take my retinol from the Inky Lace. They say don't put retinol on wet skin because it be burning sometimes, but it don't be burning me. I don't know what it is, but like I get a little tingling sensation, but it's not like a full out burn, you know what I'm saying? And I don't use that much, at least I don't think it's that much, you know. But I most definitely try and get it right here a little bit, and then I just spread the rest on my cheeks. The retinol is the only thing that I do different from my morning skincare routine. Like everything else is the same. Sometimes I add this brightening skin booster. Not a lot of times because I forget about it. Like tonight, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Mostly because I don't feel like it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. After I use retinol, I get my Olay, and then I get my Skip Food. Put that together, okay? Because they're both moisturizing. Why I gotta layer it? Why I can't just put it together and be done? You know what I mean? I gotta stop saying that. You know what I mean? I mean, Jesus. And when I tell you a little go, well, that might have been a lot, but that's okay. I bought it. Don't matter. A little go a long way. Cause I bought this stuff mad as hell for $12, and I got this little bitty, itty bitty teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Like, do y'all see how small this is? $12. Y'all probably like, it's just $12. Listen, I was just expecting more. Okay, like don't get me wrong, I love it. I paid $12 again, but I was just expecting more, that's all. It is what it is. That's a good review. So I ain't too mad, am I? And then after that, I just add my eczema cream here in the places that I need it. I don't always need it on my eyelid, but I was feeling a little patchy up here today. But we're gonna fix that, and it's gonna be beautiful by in the morning. Alright, y'all, that's it. That's it. That's how I keep my eczema and my skin under control. But now we finna go to bed and then wake up in the morning and do it all over. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all use any of these products? Just talk to me, you know.